kind of a scary question for you. Is there a link between breast cancer and your teeth? Dr. Alireza Panahpour joins us now, written several articles on the connection between root canals and breast cancer. And I was just telling Jake, I've had like 7 root canals in my life, if not more. I have terrible teeth. This is frightening to me, what you're telling us.
Well, definitely more and more research every day is showing us the link between oral diseases and autoimmune issues and cancer. In the early 90s, it started with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and periodontal issues, gum disease. But now more and more research is really opening our eyes on the manifestation of dental challenges and the rest of your body.
So what are you seeing? What's the evidence that you're seeing?
Well, what we thought of was just simple bacterial load. The research is telling us there's actually over 2,000 different kind of viruses, fungus, and bacteria that live in these communities called biofilm, which is responsible for tooth decay, gum disease, and what have you. They started seeing these biofilm also in cancer cells, in the pathologies that they were doing. So that's where the whole thing started. Again, more and more research is telling us the link between dental diseases and the rest of the body, autoimmune issues, cancer, cardiovascular disease, pulmonary issues, etc., etc.
So this is kind of terrifying. But, you know, for someone like me who, let's say, has had a lot of dental work, teeth problems, what should I do? Should I go to my OB and say I need a mammogram?
Well, my first question for you would be, why do you have 7 root canals? Why is it that, what is going on that's causing these root canals? So you need to put a stop to that first. That'll be my number 1 question. Second question is, we know that a root canal is a dead tissue. A dead tissue doesn't get any oxygen because there's no blood supply. And they tend to harbor bacterial biofilm. So keep a good eye on them. If you see that they are getting infected, radiolucent areas around them, you definitely want to do something about that. Again, more and more cancers coming out every day on this relationship. At the end of the day, tooth decay, root canals, gum disease, what do they all have in common? They are a chronic issue on your immune system. We know through research that right now, us sitting down talking, our immune system is dealing with over 33,000 different types of cancer cells right here. So the last thing you want is have something to put a burden on your immune system on a chronic, constant basis.
Well, it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Another reason why we're making sure this is in the forefront today. Dr. Alireza Panahpour, you've written a lot about this. You have a practice in Bellevue as well?
Yes, I do.
Okay, where can people learn more about this?
You can visit me at www.systemicdentist.com.
Okay.
Wow.
Thanks
Just
for coming
canceled
in.
a dentist appointment, too. My goodness. All right, thank you.
I would reschedule.
I'm going to reschedule.
Reschedule.